I've been ripping this brand new electric tank from Hitway all through the rivers, mud and city streets, and it's legal. But before we got it muddy, it all started right here in this massive box. This is the Hitway BK28, Hitway's newest e-bike, costing around £1,000. Inside the box, you get a small hand pump and a set of Allen keys. Assembly was pretty straightforward. Instructions are included if you need them, but I didn't even have to look at them. For me, it was just a few bolts to fit the mudguards, rack, headlight, handlebars and front wheel, and the bike was ready to go. And looking at the specs out of the box, it makes standard UK e-bikes look like literal toys. It has dual suspension, real hydraulic brakes, and these absolute units of tires, 20 by 4.5 inches. It looks like a straight-up motorcycle. Straight away, the BK28 stands out with its unique design. You've got a handy basket, plus built-in storage space for carrying your daily essentials. Being a road-legal e-bike, it's powered by a 250-watt rear hub motor, and limited to 15.5 miles per hour in the UK, or 25 kilometers per hour across Europe. Stopping power comes from Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, while a large, clean display keeps all your ride data easy to see at a glance. Powering everything is a huge 48-volt, 25 ampere-hour battery, promising plenty of range for longer rides. You also get a 5 miles per hour walk assist mode, NFC card unlocking, and full app connectivity through the Hitway app, allowing you to track your rides, monitor performance, and use built-in navigation. Battery's fully charged and I'm straight into it. First test, hill climb. I want to see how this thing actually behaves under load. Going uphill, no messing around, just straight real-world testing. Hitway claim this bike is built for hills, not just flat cycle paths. And honestly, they're not just talking for the sake of it. They're pretty accurate. Most e-bikes start to fall apart when you hit proper incline, but this one actually holds itself together on climbs. Even on hills, it's still sitting around 14.3 miles per hour, with decent pedal assist engagement. I've kept it in the softest gear, basically doing the bare minimum just to keep the motor engaged and keep it running efficiently. Because that's what this test is about, real-world hill performance, not perfect flat road numbers. Now downhill, this is where it gets interesting. I'm actually glad this bike doesn't just get stuck at 15 miles per hour like a lot of legal e-bikes do. You get that extra bit of freedom, around 5 miles per hour more on the descents without even pedaling. And the key thing here is the hub motor doesn't lock you into that speed limit when you're going downhill, so it actually feels a bit more natural and less restricted when the bike wants to roll. Now the brakes, after a bit of use, they've actually bedded in nicely. They bite properly and you get that solid, confident stopping power with no noise, no rattling, no squeaking, just clean, controlled braking. It's the kind of setup where you don't really second guess it. You squeeze and it stops. Seat comfort and ride quality. First impressions, it's actually really solid. As soon as I sat on it and started riding, you feel it straight away. It's smooth, it's comfortable, and for this new build, it's honestly doing a lot better than expected. It just feels composed on the road, and being a legal e-bike, I've got full confidence taking it anywhere. No stress, no second guessing. For this video, I've been riding it right through the city centre, properly putting it in real traffic, and just riding it knowing it's fully legal. That alone changes how you use it. You're not looking over your shoulder, you're just riding. And I also get moments like this, just rolling past the rivers, proper peaceful views. It's not just about the riding, it's about actually enjoying where the ride takes you. And this is exactly why I rate a legal setup. You're not ducking around side streets or avoiding people. You just ride straight through busy city spots like this with zero stress. No paranoia, no sketchy feeling, no thinking, am I gonna get stopped? You're just part of the traffic, moving normal, enjoying the ride properly. That peace of mind alone is worth more than any extra speed. Now the display. And this is something Hitway actually do really well. The color grading on it is genuinely impressive. No matter the conditions, bright sun, dark streets, fog, rain, you can still read it clearly at a glance. It never really washes out or struggles. And from my experience with their products, especially after riding the BK7S Plus as well, this is something I've started to expect from them. The display quality is just consistent, clear, simple, and easy to use while you're riding. And the range, I'm not even going to properly test it on this one, because I already know what these batteries are like. No joke, they just don't seem to die. Especially being capped at 15 miles per hour, the efficiency is actually on another level. I'd say you're easily looking at around 40 miles real-world range on this, but I'm not going to push it to empty. It takes time, effort, and honestly it's not worth draining it completely just for a number. From experience, I already know it's solid. And I've already put in about 6.5 miles on this thing so far, just riding it properly, keeping the motor engaged the whole time with ghost pedaling. It's basically been constant real-world use, not just short bursts, and it's still holding up exactly how you'd expect. And I spotted this nice river view, so I thought I'd take a ride through here and show you it properly. Just one of those moments where you've got to slow it down and actually enjoy where the ride takes you. Quick stop here just to take this in. Proper nice spot, bit of cold water, just a good moment to pause for a second. We're about 7.4 miles in now, and the battery's still barely moved, which is exactly what you want to see. And having that built-in storage is actually useful as well. Just makes it easier to carry your bits without thinking about it while you're riding. So thank you, Hitway. What an amazing ride. I've genuinely enjoyed everything about it. The performance, the stability, the views, just the whole experience this bike gives you. It's honestly worth every penny if you're looking to start exploring more, ride to work, or just ride for fun. I don't really have any negatives on this e-bike. It's built well, performs well, the comfort is easily 10 out of 10, and having that solid battery just adds to it. The design also stands out a lot. It gets attention in public, and I can see why people might think it's an illegal moped at first glance, but it's fully a legal e-bike. Big thanks to Hitway for letting me experience this ride. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed making it. If you've stuck around till the end, I appreciate you. I'll leave the product linked in the description and bio. Feel free to drop any questions or comments. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.